Hello everyone and welcome to your 12th Adobe After Effects tutorial, Advanced Parenting Controls. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use the parenting option more properly and in a more advanced manner so that we can learn how parenting works and what are its uses. So let's start right away. For that, let us first arrange these solids that we created in the last tutorial. Let's select the solid. Let's move them like so. Let's select them again, decrease their scale even more. Alright, this is perfect. Let's move them like this. Alright. Now we have positioned all the solids over here. Now what we are going to do is, we will parent all of these solids to the red solid. So let's rename this red solid to parent, and then we will parent all these solids to the red solid, and then we will see how it works out. So we have positioned all of them right here. Now in order to parent, select a layer, go down to the parent tab and select from the drop down parent. Or the second way is to select the layer, click on the pick whip over here, left click and drag it to the parent layer, its name, and then drop it, and then the parent will get selected to that layer. Let's do that. Alright. So now we don't want to see all these layers over here. What we will do is, we will click on the toggle switches / modes over here. We will click on hide all layers, for which the shy switch is set. Left click on it, select all these layers, and then select the shy switch for them. Now this over here is the shy switch. The layers do not disappear from our composition panel, but they do disappear from over here. If there are too many layers and the work is becoming confusing to us, we can hide the layers. They will animate and perform as needed, but they will just not be visible over here. If we want to see them again, we can just click on the shy switch and then they will all be back here. For now, let's just hide them because we no longer need them. And let's see how the parenting works. Now select the parent, and we will select the position by pressing the P key over here. And as soon as we move the parent, as you can see, all of the objects are moving together with the parent. How convenient is that? So be sure that to animate, now we animate the parent and all the other layers will get animated along with the parent. So let's select a keyframe for its position. Go to 3 seconds and let's move its position to the right side. We must go back to the start, select the parent, hit R for rotation, get a keyframe over here, go to 3 seconds, and let's do this 2 revolutions. Now let us see and play the animation how it worked out. As you can see, all the layers work in accordance with the parent, and then this is useful in animating a lot of layers when you need to only control one layer, and all of the layers will get controlled by the single layer. So guys, that's it for this tutorial, and thank you for watching.